explore the art of creating captivating outdoor spaces that seamlessly blend style and functionality. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Are you looking at your sloping backyard and feeling a little overwhelmed? Maybe it feels more like a challenge than a canvas for your dream outdoor space? Well, you've come to the right place. Today we're tackling the topography of your terrain with some incredible ideas to transform that sloped yard into a stunning, functional, and beautiful landscape. We're talking about turning a tricky slope into a showstopper. So, let's get inspired with the best sloping backyard landscaping ideas out there. First things first, what exactly do we mean by sloping backyard landscaping? Simply put, it's the art and science of designing an outdoor space on an incline. Instead of fighting the natural grade of your land, you work with it to create a unique and layered environment. It's about using the change in elevation to your advantage, turning a potential drainage nightmare or a difficult-to-use space into a beautiful and multifunctional part of your home. Think of it as creating different levels or zones for different activities, all while adding visual interest and solving practical problems. And the benefits of embracing this challenge are huge. A sloping backyard can offer a dynamic and visually appealing landscape that a flat yard simply can't. By incorporating terracing, retaining walls, or multi-level patios, you create distinct, usable areas that break up the space and make it feel larger and more inviting. For example, you could have a cozy fire pit area on one level, a dining space on another, and a lush garden on a third. This kind of design also improves drainage, preventing water runoff and erosion that can be a real headache. Plus, it can increase your property value and provide a unique curb appeal that sets your home apart from the rest. It's a fantastic way to add character and functionality to an otherwise challenging plot of land. So, how do you landscape a sloping backyard to look good? The key is to think in terms of levels and transitions. Start by carefully assessing the grade and imagining how you can create flat, usable spaces. Retaining walls are your best friend here. They can be built from a variety of materials like stone, concrete blocks, or even wood to create level terraces. These terraces not only provide a stable base for patios and planting beds but also become a design element in themselves. You can connect these levels with beautiful steps or winding pathways, making the journey through your garden part of the experience. Layering plants of different heights and textures on the terraces adds depth and visual interest, softening the hard lines of the retaining walls. Finally, incorporating lighting can highlight the different levels and create a magical ambience for evening use, making the entire space feel cohesive and well-designed. When it comes to the best items for sloping backyard landscaping, the options are endless. Here are some of our top picks. First, retaining walls. The cornerstone of any sloped landscape, they create level tiers for planting and patios. Second, tiered planters and raised beds. Perfect for adding gardening space on a slope without major excavation. They are especially effective for creating a tiered look. Third, steps and pathways. Whether they're straight and modern or winding and rustic, they are essential for navigating the different levels safely and stylishly. Fourth, decks and patios. Building a deck on a slope can be a brilliant way to create a large, level outdoor living area with a stunning elevated view. Fifth, water features. A beautiful way to incorporate the natural flow of a slope, creating serene waterfalls or a series of cascades. Sixth, drought-tolerant plants. Using plants that don't require much water can help prevent soil erosion on the slope and are low maintenance. Seventh, landscaping rocks and boulders. These can be used as a natural retaining element for decoration or to create a rock garden, fitting perfectly into the landscape. Eighth, outdoor lighting. Illuminating steps, pathways, and specific features adds safety and creates a dramatic, beautiful effect at night. Ninth, fire pits and seating areas. These can be integrated into a terraced level to create a cozy, intimate gathering space. Now let's dive into our top 10 best sloping backyard landscaping ideas. We've got a fantastic collection of photos to inspire your next project. 1. The garden with a view. This landscaping idea uses a series of gentle curved retaining walls made of stacked stone to create a beautiful and functional tiered garden. The sweeping curves add a soft, organic feel to the design, contrasting with the straight lines of the house. The planting beds are overflowing with vibrant flowers in shades of pink, yellow, and red, creating a burst of color that is the focal point of the front yard. The wide, inviting concrete stairs provide a graceful path up the gentle incline, making the garden accessible and welcoming. 2. The elegant backyard pool oasis. This example shows how a sloped yard can be used to create a luxurious and serene outdoor retreat. The infinity-style pool is set into the hillside, with elegant stone retaining walls framing it and creating a raised, private patio area. The stone-clad fountains add a soothing sound and a touch of sophistication, making the space feel like a high-end resort. The combination of different stone types and the lush greenery on the upper slope creates a harmonious and visually stunning environment. 3. The modern tiered planters. This contemporary design utilizes sleek, metal-rimmed raised beds to create a structured and highly organized planting area on a slope. The clean lines of the planters and the walkway give the space a modern, minimalist feel. The use of different plant varieties and textures adds visual interest, while the natural rock and mulch on the upper slope maintain a low-maintenance, organic feel. This is a great solution for a smaller or more urban space where a structured, clean look is desired. 4. The modern fire pit patio. In this design, a sloped yard is leveled to create a clean, modern patio with a built-in fire pit. The raised planting beds are created using sleek, light-colored concrete blocks, which also serve as a low retaining wall. The built-in lighting in the walls adds a contemporary touch and a soft glow in the evening. The uniform pavers on the patio and the simple, manicured plantings create a minimalist and highly functional outdoor living space, perfect for entertaining or relaxing by the fire. 5. The multi-level stone deck. For a dramatic and impressive result, this multi-level deck is built directly on the rocky terrain, creating a stunning outdoor living space. The use of natural stone for the pillars and retaining walls perfectly complements the surrounding forest and rocks, making the structure feel like a natural extension of the landscape. The various seating areas, from the dining table to the outdoor sofas, demonstrate how different zones can be created on a single large platform. This is an excellent solution for a very steep and challenging slope. 6. The rustic stone retaining wall. This classic and practical solution uses a large, stacked stone retaining wall to create a flat, usable space at the bottom of a steep hill. The tall, columnar evergreens planted along the top of the wall act as a natural privacy screen and add a vertical element that draws the eye upward. The lower level is a simple, manicured lawn, perfect for play, while the planting bed at the base of the wall softens the transition and adds a touch of color and life. This design is both highly functional and aesthetically pleasing. 7. The terraced garden retreat. This design beautifully uses multiple retaining walls made of corten steel to create a series of lush, staggered terraces. The wide, gravel-filled steps break up the heavy green foliage and provide easy access to all levels. The variety of plants, from low-lying ground cover to taller shrubs and flowering bushes, creates a rich tapestry of colors and textures that softens the industrial look of the metal. This is a perfect example of turning a steep, unusable slope into a stunning and highly functional garden. 8. The natural boulder terrace. This landscape design embraces the natural topography of the land by using large, organic boulders as a retaining element. The rocks are strategically placed to create natural-looking terraces for planting, giving the impression that they've always been there. The winding steps provide a clear path up the hill, while the dense, low-maintenance plantings fill in the spaces between the rocks, creating a lush and wild aesthetic. This approach is ideal for a more rustic or naturalistic garden style. 9. The cozy circular patio. This design features a unique circular patio area created on a flattened terrace, enclosed by a beautiful curved dry stack stone wall. This shape not only creates an intimate, inviting space for outdoor dining but also beautifully complements the curving walkway that leads to it. The garden beds are thoughtfully planted with a vibrant array of flowers, providing a delightful sensory experience. The combination of the curving stone wall and the colorful plantings makes this a charming and functional space. 10. The elegant patio and staircase. Here, a gentle slope is tamed with smooth, curved retaining walls and a graceful staircase. The use of a consistent, light-colored material for the walls and steps creates a clean and unified look. The strategically placed landscape lighting along the stairs and on the ground highlights the different levels and architectural features, making the space safe and beautiful at night. The lush, well-maintained planting beds on each tier add a touch of natural softness to the structured design, creating a perfect blend of modern and organic aesthetics. And there you have it. 10 amazing ideas for transforming your sloping backyard into a beautiful and functional outdoor haven. We hope these designs have sparked your imagination and given you the confidence to tackle your own landscaping project. Remember, a slope isn't a problem, it's an opportunity. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more inspiration on transforming your home, both inside and out. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. We love hearing from you, so let us know in the comments which idea was your favorite or what design challenges you're facing. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy decorating!